It is flu season. So if you're going through post-op recovery, like tummy tuck for instance, you have incision here and you also have that belly button there. Now if you are coughing, sneezing, that will cause pain, your incision. And also another one is when you're coughing a lot, your belly button might get, it might extend, okay? So, or the incision might rupture. So what we can do, you stack, if you do not have a pillow, you're gonna stack your hands where the incision, you can do like that, you can stack it, you can stack it, put pressure on your belly button, protect it, or you can also put a pillow, okay? You can also put a pillow and cuff. Just protect the incision on top, put the pillow on top of your incision or the belly button, so, and then before you cough. That's just give you more protection to avoid the pain, bulging out the belly button, rupture the incision. So those are just additional tips for ladies out there or guys that are going through post-op recovery. I hope you learned from this, and congratulations for your new body.